Okay guys, so this is the second exemplar piece for Venn diagram sets. It says the Venn diagram shows set C is a subset of set D, and all its elements are members of D as well as C. List the members of sets C, D, and the universe. This is chai. We'll work on that pronunciation in a minute. Suggest possible descriptions of each set. Okay, so set C in nice pink color there are the numbers 1, 2, and 3. And C is part of D. So everything that's in D is not part of everything in C, but everything that's in C is part of D. So let's put those in blue, because it's a nice pretty color. Well, green we've got. So let's have those in green. So that's my D going on there. And then we've got our universe going on as well, which is going to be in yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Let's color it in nicely. That's my universe. Done. Perfect. Our C set then are the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Our D set are the numbers 1, 2, and 3 because they're part of it. C are part of D, but also the numbers 4, 6, and 12. Let's write those in. 12. And our universe includes the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 5, 9, and 11. So it also says, suggest possible descriptors of each set. So C can be consecutive integers, less than 4, more than 0. D can be factors of the number 12. And I'll let you see if you can think of a term which describes our universe.